Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. Learn how to easily create and customize a cone shape in Microsoft Word step by step. This quick tutorial from Backspace will help you design professional documents, diagrams and creative layouts using built-in shapes. So let's get started. We can see here assignment for my college. Now I go to this page. Then create a cone shape, go to the insert menu and click the shape drop down menu. We can see here not available the cone shape. Now I make it customizedly. Select the triangle shape first, then draw the triangle, then go to the format menu and we can see here the shape drop down menu. Now I am select the oval shape, then draw a oval the size of the triangle shape, then select this multiple shape, press and hold shift on our keyboard. You can change the color. Now I am group, go to the format menu, click this group drop down menu, make it group, then you can change the color. Now I am select another color here. You can change the shape outline color. Now I am select no color, otherwise you can select black color. Now we can see we create a cone shape. You can resize it or small and big it easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.